Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find transaction history on Trust Wallet. So if you also want to find transaction history on Trust Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Trust Wallet application. You can see over here Trust Wallet has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here right now you're in the home interface. Scroll down. You'll be able to see all the cryptos over here. These are also called the tokens. Now select the specific token of which you want to see the transaction history. For example, I'm selecting Bitcoin. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the current balance over here. You'll also be able to see all the historical transactions. If you want to see the transaction history of another crypto, go back. Now tap on that crypto. Now here also you'll be able to see the current balance and historical transaction. So that is how you find transaction history on Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.